Hey guys, so I was approached by Arch Chill to do an unboxing video of their bamboo fabric blanket. Now they have a bunch of these different blankets that's supposed to help you stay cool even if you run hot. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing video so you guys can see what to expect from this product. Alright, so on the box, it pretty much lets you know that this is going to be a natural number 3, and it's 100% bamboo fiber. And if you go on the side here, you'll be able to see the cool technology, how it actually works. You sweat down here, it actually absorbs the heat to keep you cool because of the natural bamboo fibers, and it lifts it out through the blanket. So it's easy to wash, do not iron, do not turbo dry, no bleach. Do not dry cling and hang in the shade. This is the 79 by 86 inch one. So open up this bad boy. It's going to be in the color white. I will list this also in the description box in case you want to check it out. If you are a person who is looking for a blanket that you want to stay cool but also stay warm at the same time. I use blankets all throughout the year because I'm always cold. So this will be a great option. All right, so this is how it looks when you get it out of the packaging. Now, first impressions on the actual feel of this item is that it is soft. It's not super soft like a fleece blanket, but it is soft. It's a little heavy, not too heavy, but I can tell you that it is a thin fabric, which is ideal for wanting to take advantage of something that's going to keep you cool but also warm at the same time. So this is not a heavy, thick type of blanket you would normally get. It does have a pattern on one side that's kind of shiny, it looks like, and then on the other side is more of a dull. And you do have these on the side as well, with more instructions on how to take care of this blanket once you get it. So I can see that this could be something that's going to be very cool for you. I did read the reviews and many people are saying that it is a great blanket for people that are very, very hot. So this is a good option. I believe they have other sizes and other colors as well. So you do have that option. So yeah, this is the unboxing of the bamboo fabric blanket. I'm going to test this out, give a more accurate review in another video, but this is strictly for an unboxing, and I'll be posting that video soon. But yeah, go ahead and check it out if you are a hot person, or you know someone that's always hot and looking for a good blanket. Got the Arch Chill bamboo fabric you can consider, and the link will be in the description.